A bar of soap, a toothbrush, a pot on a stove, ordinary household things photographed in people's actual homes in 54 countries. The dataset is called Dollar Street, everyday objects photographed in real homes, each image tagged with that household's monthly income. The researchers used 117 categories and about 20,000 images. Home inventory apps, photo search, anything that labels what is in a picture, all sit on a few commercial services. The team ran 5 of them: Microsoft, Clarify, Google, Amazon, and IBM. Each system was handed the photograph and returned its guesses. The team scored those against what the object actually is, then grouped the results by the income of the household it came from. The systems performed relatively poorly on items common in lower-income households. The clearest number in the paper, the absolute difference in accuracy between recognizing items in the United States and in Somalia or Burkina Faso, is around 15 to 20%. And the cause is not unfamiliar objects. The authors put it down to 2 things: the same object looking different like dish soap in unfamiliar packaging, and the object being somewhere else like a toothbrush that is not in a bathroom. The model had learned the room as much as the thing. The authors conclude further work is needed before these systems work equally well across countries and income levels. Worth holding when an app offers to inventory your home, it is at its best on homes that look like the ones it was trained on.